Being a snow contractor is tough work. You don't know if it's going to snow. You don't know if all your guys are going to show up. You don't know if all your equipment's going to be available that night. You've already got so many variables running a snow operation and invoicing a snow operation. This workshop's really going to teach you how the best companies in the industry take a lot of those variables out of the equation.
Element Snow workshops are fantastic for the new LMN user that's looking to set up their snow budget, look at their equipment costs, figure out their manpower and hourly rates, and just get generally set up for a good snow plan for profit.
Well, our training really sets us apart from our competitors. We have these workshops in place where you're getting that hands-on training. We have the instructors, they're knowledgeable, they understand LMN, they understand how everything comes together, and they also understand the industry.
We will actually teach you the basics of some accounting information. So learning what your job costs are in comparison to an overhead cost. Those are really important things you need to know in order to drive a proper budget for your landscaping or snow contracting business.
The workshops are definitely a good networking opportunity. You're going to be in a room with 20 other companies, 20 other like-minded individuals talking about their experiences in snow, offering solutions to problems. It really is a great event and a great way to network with other companies like yours.